Hi, it's Marnie Pedersen from the Getting You Home team at LePage Signature, and you guessed it, we are once again in my favorite neighborhood in Mississauga, Sawmill Valley. Welcome to this exceptional, rare opportunity to buy a 5-bedroom home in this fabulous neighborhood, featuring the aforementioned 5 bedrooms, plus a main floor office, main floor family room, living room, eat-in kitchen, dining room, beautiful kitchen, and a gorgeous solarium walking out to the very spacious backyard. This neighborhood is exceptional with fabulous schools, walking distance to UTM, all the major commuting routes, and very close to Credit Valley Hospital. Come on in, take a look, and see what this exceptional home has to offer today.
Nestled between the Sawmill Valley nature trails, this beautiful home has it all. Step through the double-door entranceway to the spacious, light-filled, open foyer. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and this one features stone countertops, a new backsplash, pantry, stainless steel appliances, and opens to a large breakfast nook overlooking the spacious back garden. The formal living room has ample space for entertaining or relaxing, with new hardwood flooring, pot lights, and crown molding. The adjacent dining room boasts hardwood floors, pot lights, and plenty of room for large family gatherings. Skipping over to the spacious family room, you will discover a wood-burning fireplace, plenty of pot lights, hardwood floors, and a fabulous walkout to the 3-season solarium. Rounding out this incredible main floor is a laundry room and mudroom, powder room, and a large office with plenty of room for multiple desks for remote learning and a large picture window. Follow us up the bright staircase to the second floor, featuring 5 large bedrooms. The master ensuite features new plush carpeting to warm the toes, a dressing room, an ensuite, plus a walk-in closet. Four additional large bedrooms round out the second floor. New carpeting, pot lights, and a large finished base welcomes you into the basement. It's followed by a second large unfinished room, which possibilities are limited only by your imagination. It's not just the house that's fabulous. The neighborhood is second to none in Mississauga. Parks, trails, and community are what gives this neighborhood its own village in the city atmosphere.
When you purchase a home in Sawmill Valley, you are not just purchasing a house, but a lifestyle surrounded by nature trails, conservatory land, and not the least of which, an incredibly active neighborhood group. Find out why once discovered, Sawmill Valley is so hard to leave.
For more information on this or any of our other listings, visit us at our YouTube channel at gettingyouhome.tv, on Instagram or Facebook.
We are getting you home.